The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a game changer in solving climate issues. The network of physical objects, connected with sensors and smart technologies, establishes systems that help organizations improve energy efficiency. For example, in smart homes, IoT-ready appliances linked to the Internet enable users to automate controls. For warehouse management, Industrial IoT can manage heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and lighting systems to streamline operations. In smart cities, urban planners use AI, big analytics, and robotics with IoT to oversee traffic data, optimize electrical grids, and more. And one of Industrial IoT's biggest contributions is reducing vehicles' carbon emissions. The transport sector is a major contributor of greenhouse gases, accounting for 75% of total emissions worldwide. With connected vehicles set to increase to 352 million by 2023, we can expect improved roadside safety, fewer traffic problems, and reduced fuel consumption and emissions thanks to Industrial IoT. The technology provides data on driving behaviors, road conditions, fuel consumption, and maintenance schemes. Fleet managers can depend on Industrial IoT to correct human errors, optimize routes, minimize fuel consumption, and monitor maintenance, all of which contribute to lower carbon emissions. Looking to harness IoT-enabled fleet ecosystems? Contact us today.